now time for the business day. Coffee farmers continue to face a double blow, inclement weather compounded by deteriorating roads. So how is this likely to affect exports? We recently spoke with Norman Grant, the president of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association.
The troubles facing the coffee sector come at the peak of the harvesting season. According to President of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, Norman Grant, for the 2023-24 crop, it was estimated that production was expected to be in the range of 300,000 boxes. Instead, only 230,000 boxes could be produced. A huge loss, he says, for the 4,000 to 5,000 coffee farmers.
Between the September-October 2023 weather, Hurricane Beryl and this recent floods, the loss to the coffee industry is estimated at about 100,000 boxes, and that is valued at close to $1 billion. Currently, we are paying $10,000 a box.
Mr. Grant is calling for the Blue Mountain region to be classified as a disaster zone, given the widespread damage to farm roads. Farmers are also in critical need of fertilizers to start over.
This loss of $1 billion that I'm talking about, it is just farm gate as it relates to the fruits. But because of the movement and landslides, we have also lost some trees. And the issue is that those trees are going to take 3 to 4 years to come back after we plant. And that is why it is very critical for us to get the intervention for the farmers.
The losses come at a time when there was an increase in revenues from the coffee sector.
There was gradual growth, and in fact, the income, the export earnings from coffee grew from 19 million in 2021-22 to 25 million in 23-24, which meant that we were on a upward growth. I think that this intervention, which is required now, if it is done now, and it is sustained, what we could see is that the production, the current production levels of 230,000 boxes could grow to 450,000 boxes over the next 5 years.
Mr. Grant says he's hoping that the Agriculture Ministry will act swiftly to address the issues. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
Output prices for Jamaican producers have experienced mixed results in October 2024, according to data released by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin. In the mining and quarrying sector, output prices saw a significant decline of 21.1% in October, largely driven by a sharp drop in the price of bauxite and alumina. The index for the major group, bauxite mining and alumina processing, fell by 21.7%, marking a notable downturn in the industry. Despite the monthly downturn, the year-to-year performance for the mining and quarrying industry has been more positive. For the period from October 2023 to October 2024, the industry saw an overall increase of 8.9%, driven primarily by a 9.2% increase in the bauxite mining and alumina processing group. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $158.01 at the end of foreign exchange trading today. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.66. The pound is going for $201.64, while the euro is selling for an average $168.96. And to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 3,462 points today to close at 322,049 points. The junior market index advanced by 13 points to close at 3,725 points. Among the 48 winners, Consolidated Bakeries, Derrimont Trading, Image Consultants, Margaritaville Turks, and Proven Group. The 43 losers include Cygnus Credit Investments, 8.5% preference shares, Barita Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, and 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares. 21 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the business day, but do stick around. Archibald will be next with the international stories.